So what's going on, everyone? Today's the 17th of November, 2023. Real quick, we're going to talk about Solana, give you all the updated price prediction in the market for this cryptocurrency. It has been a formidable player over the last couple of trading days or the last couple of weeks. You guys can actually tell how bullish this currency is. Even when the market is giving us indications of weakness entering in or selling pressure increasing, the market still goes up. That shows you how massively strong Solana is. Now, let's talk about it though, because eventually that will have to lessen the magnitude of how strong this market is in Solana. So let's try to figure it out, because on the last video that we did in Solana, we were expecting the market to give us a small reprieve, a lessening of price action, a move to the downside, and that didn't even happen. So it goes to show you that the chart actually tells you, okay, even though we have seen some indication that the market may embark on some selling pressure and the market goes down a little bit, that doesn't even have to happen either, especially when the buyers are truly motivated and moving this market up. It's been a fantastic run, and if you guys have participated in that run, kudos, congratulations, because this is what the game is all about. It's about participating in whoever is dominating the market, whether it's the buyers or the sellers. So what we're going to do here first is we're going to talk about this range right here, because I told you in this area that's circled that this is where sellers were. And as you can tell, after we did our video in Solana right here, the market expanded and exceeded that area. And the market ran up from there. Now we're seeing another area, pretty much like what we talked about in our last video, of seeing increased selling. So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here, because it didn't work out correctly. And we're going to show you the next area that we're seeing selling. So all of these daily price bars right here, we're getting some signals, some alerts telling us, yeah, we're seeing some weakness in the market in Solana. I would say right here around $68. All the way back down to like 55, 56. Well, I'll take it down to 52 to $52, right? So this whole area is where we're noticing more selling than buying. Now, there are days to where buyers do control the market, namely these 2 days, this one, and then the next day after. So the 14th and the 15th of November is where those buyers really try to move the market up. Now let's break these days down, because you can see here weakness here on these 2 days. Signals triggered. Expectation would be for the market to go down, but instead on the 14th, the market in Solana went up. So we know where the sellers are. We also know where the buyers are. This is where the buyers are located into the market in Solana. Okay, so we've established areas to know which side of the market actually is dominating the overall price. Sellers are up here, buyers are down there. All right, so when we combine these daily price bars in Solana, we could kind of see, okay, which one of these two teams is going to be able to take out the other one. Let's take a look at Solana real quick on a 2-day chart. Okay, so you can see it right here. Sellers has been hitting the buyers on that 2-day price bar, and then again on this one. So even though we know that there's a lot of demand, it looks to me off of this 2-day price chart that the sellers are able to meet it, because the buyers aren't able to take those sellers out the way. It's been trying to progress higher, but every time it does that, the selling pressure pushes the price right back down. Again, the sellers are able to meet the demand of the buyers. Here's Solana on the 3-day chart. We have 12 hours and 1 minute left before this 3-day price bar prints. And looking how it looks now, it looks weak because of the market closing well off of the highs right now. Take a look at this on the 5. Solana on the weekly. In the next 2 days, 13 hours, if we still see this signal, we need to anticipate that the market is gaining more momentum to go lower. Here it is on 330-minute chart. Okay. I think you guys can see where the selling is happening at. This is where the buyers are coming in. So we may just see the market in Solana come down to 55, even this 50, 52, 50 range, and then begin to lift up higher in price. Okay. 3-hour chart. So I'm going to anticipate that Solana is going to go lower in price. Okay. So let me go ahead and do that here real quick. Now we have our area of resistance up there around $69. Our first target was around 55. Okay, that's around 6% move lower from where the price is now. And then our second target is going to be here towards the lows of the 13th and the 14th of November, which is around 13.16. And then the third target will be all the way down here to like $45, is around 22.65%. Okay, got it. That is it. You're up. Give me your thoughts and let me know what you guys think about Solana. Do you think the market's going to continue to go up, take a small move to the downside before resuming to higher prices? Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.